This is the walkthrough for Python 101, Lesson 1. We'll be starting at 1.3. 1.1 and 1.2 are video and overview information that you can watch on your own. The purpose of this video is to help you get caught up if you were not able to finish this lesson. Number 1.3, we solve this by going forward twice because there are 2 spots to get to the pixie dust. In this one, we're going to need to go forward 1, 2, 3 times. A little shortcut for you. Once you've typed your command once, you could also grab it from here, but you're going to copy it and paste it. Control C, Control V. And 5, we now have to turn our body to get to a new location right now. The character will move forward 1, and then we need to turn right. You can type or copy this command, turn right, and then I will need to move forward 1 more time because I'll get to here, turn right. I got to move to this block right here. So these hills don't count as a step. You still just count the steps that you're on. So the first thing I need to do is fire at this plant so it doesn't eat me. After that, I will move forward 1. And then I will move forward again because that first one will get me where the plant was. And then I need to go up the slope to the next spot. And then I'm going to repeat the fire when I'm right here to shoot him. And again, repeat that forward and forward to get myself to the pixie dust. Seven, we start facing out into the middle of nowhere over here. So the first thing we need to do is turn our body left, and then we definitely need to fire because there is a carnivorous plant. We can then move forward to the spot the plant is on. That will have us facing straight ahead. We need to turn right to be able to go up that slope. Once we turn right, we can go up the slope to this spot. Now I need to turn left to be facing the pixie dust, and I need to move forward 1 spot to get to that. So here we go. Turn left, move, or fire, move forward, turn right, move forward, turn left, move forward, and done. 9. We need to go up and over. So we're going to go forward 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then I need to turn left and move forward 1, 2 times. Turn left again and move forward 3 times. So if I run this, I move forward 3 times, turn left, move forward. Ooh, I made an error. I need to move forward 3 times. in here. So it'll be forward 3 times, turn left, forward 3 times, turn left, forward 3 times. So 3 times forward, left. I guess this counts as one, which shouldn't. All right, so there's an enemy in the way and we need to get rid of him first. So before we jump, we need to fire. Notice they put comments in, so get rid of it first and then jump the gap. Then I'm going to need to jump again to get to the pixie dust. So jump to pixie dust. So I'll fire to get rid of my enemy and jump, jump. Okay, and this one I'm doing a zigzag pattern. So I need to fire to get rid of this enemy. I'll move forward twice. That'll put me where the enemy is. And I'm going to comment this because that's what it wants you to be doing. So destroy enemy, move to forward. And then I want to destroy enemy, jump over gap. So that will be first thing I need to do is turn left or I'm not going to be facing that enemy. And then I will fire at the enemy. And then I will jump into the spot that the enemy was in. In the next one then, that'll have me facing left right here out into the distance. I need to turn and destroy enemy, then jump the gap. So turn right, fire, jump, and that will have me right here. So I need to turn left, and move forward to pixie dust. So to do that, I'm going to turn left and move forward twice. And then there's the quiz, and you can do that on your own.